Hey there, today I'm going to show you the alternative start to a magic ring or circle when it comes to working in the round. We're going to make a slip knot and of course insert your hook. Simple. I leave it a little loose because that's where all our starting stitches is going to go, in that one space. And then you're going to, after you do that, chain 2, 1, 2, it's just that easy. Now like I said, your starting stitches are going to go in this space right there. Your first chain that you made, that's going to be adjustable because of the slip knot, and that's, pretty much it. So whatever it tells you to do, your pattern, or whatever you want to do, we're just going to start doing it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you have a few stitches in there. I'm just going to use single crochets. And don't worry if your slip knot, it will grow with you, and don't worry if you feel like it's getting too big, because it's like I said, it's totally adjustable. You can tighten that later on, you can tighten it now, whenever you want. It's up to you. See, all I have to do is you pull it and it tightens it. Well, then you can see you've got, your stitches starting in the round. See, you just go in a big circle. Well, that'll do it. That's the alternative method to starting a project in the round. Hopefully that was helpful. I tried to make it as, short and to the point as possible. Keep enjoying that journey, and I will see you next time. Have a good day or night whenever you're watching this. That's fine.